Sawadika! So guys, kung looking kayo ng perfect pang regalo this holiday season or kahit pang birthday pa, this art is for you. Ito ang aming pop art wall art from Thailand. So look at this handmade high quality acrylic wood pop art wall pieces by Kita Tat Citiket. So, lahat ng pop art natin, guys, ay may signature na rin ng ating artist from Thailand. Meron na rin pala tayo, guys, na 200 plus na unique design to choose from. So, meron tayong movies, singer, anime, basketball legends, athletes, villain, superhero, or kahit lucky cat pa. So, kung ano mang hilig ng pagbibigyan nyo, guys, hindi na kayo mahihirapan hanapin dahil halos lahat ng design, meron tayo niyan. Plus, if you're into that cool artsy vibe na mga pang-solid setup natin, guys, this is for you. Nicely done wall rug. So, kung gusto mo naman ng mga pang-solid na regalo, yung mapapatanong talaga yung pinagbigyan mo, saan mo nabili yan? Dito yan, be. Meron tayong iba't ibang design. So, meron tayong Dragon Balls, Simpson, and fun and edgy like Joan Cornela. Meron tayong Mario. And kung gusto mo naman ng talagang solid na pang wall rug, yung malalaki, guys, meron din tayo dito. So, meron tayong mga artists. Iyan. And meron tayong meme style. Siyempre, di mawawala itong ating basketball legend. Meron din pala tayo, guys, na mga SpongeBob and One Piece. So, lahat yan, guys, is sobrang detailed. And hindi ito yung usual na makikita mo sa wall decor. Kaya alam mo na, kung gusto mo niyan, message mo lang kami, Nicely Done Manila, or visit us here at 103A Biak na Bato Street, Barangay Siena, Quezon City.